YouTube, welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Well, got another HackerBox here. Can't wait to see what we got. I don't know about you guys. I'm having some reason that last box I still can't get my stupid camera to work. I don't know what I'm doing wrong or something, but oh well. Let's get this thing open. We are HackerBox 0044 PCB 123. I already actually kind of snuck a peek at the video that HackerBoxes posted, so I already know what's going on here. But this should be interesting. It's a little bigger box than I thought it was going to be. Ah, look at that. Got a nice case. Yeah, that's cool. There's some stuff in there falling out. Oh well. As you can see, there's some jumpers. Lots of them. I've got so many of these things now. I don't know what to do with all of them. I really don't. Some batteries. Always need batteries. Looks like a little. Oh yeah, it is. It's a multi-tool. That's cool. That's interesting. I don't know how practical it is, but I mean it's interesting, that's for sure. I don't know what that's supposed to be for right there. It's sharpened. I don't know what you would use it for, but little wrenches and screwdrivers and some Allen keys and all kinds of stuff going on right there. Yeah. Okay. So what do we got here? A solderless breadboard. Can't have too many of those, that's for certain. I like this little case. Let's see here. What we got here? Can't get it open. Open sesame. We don't need you. Alright, let's see here. XY1903 ESP32 OLED. Oh, cool. Alright. Some jumpers. Little itty bitty. Looks like battery connector. Little tiny OLED. Antenna. Wireless. That's cool. I wonder what that's gonna go to. Got too much stuff here now. I should just sit that right there. I'll put you right there. Got another little something. No tag on that one. Is it a cereal? I don't know what this. Out. Get out. That's interesting. 5-volt ground, volt in, little dip, 5-volt P1, POP, let's see. I don't know, it looks like a timer chip for some reason. I don't know if that's what it is or isn't, but put you right there too, I guess. Little HackerBox thingamajigger there. And some parts. Big gigantic LEDs. Looks like they're addressable. RGBs. Got quite a few of them actually. Little buzzer, battery thingies. There's the little dip packages. Damn it, I can't see what it is. Yeah, I don't know. Let me look real quick. What is it? It's a Atmel Tiny. I think it says 85. Is there two of them? Is that? I can't see what that is either. Damn it. Yeah, there's two of them. I don't know if that's 85 or 8S. There's a couple little sockets, some buttons, a switch. Simon Says. And that's what we'll be making, Simon Says. Coin cells. That's pretty cool. Credit card size boards. We've been getting a lot of these lately. That should be interesting. What is this? Huh, I guess this is just like a breadboard there. That's interesting. HackerBox.com. Couple stickers. Pen Tester Lab. And of course Linux. Alright, well this looks interesting. Can't wait to put this together. Hopefully I won't have any problems with this one. Alright guys, see you next time.